Why do 60% of SEO specialists struggle to gauge content performance? Let's dive into the top tips to make it easier. Evaluating content performance is crucial for ensuring your SEO strategy hits the mark. First up, track your organic traffic. Tools like Google Analytics show how visitors find your content and which pages keep them engaged. Next, analyze the bounce rate. High bounce rates might mean your content isn't resonating with your audience. Instead, aim for engaging, relevant content that keeps visitors on your site longer. Another key metric is conversion rates. Are your visitors taking desired actions? Whether it's signing up for a newsletter or making a purchase, conversions show your content's effectiveness. Don't forget about social shares and backlinks. They signal authority and trustworthiness to search engines, boosting your rankings. Lastly, keep an eye on keyword rankings. Are you climbing the search engine results pages? This indicates how well your content aligns with search intent. Authority Solutions specializes in comprehensive SEO services, including content performance analysis. Let us help you optimize your strategy. If you found these tips useful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.